Um, hello everybody. This is going to be a strong message, but short one to the regime of Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, since he has forced himself on Nigerians. Yet it doesn't mean we can't talk. I saw a video now on YouTube, has posted by Alaroye, the Yoruba news channel. If you go on their page on YouTube, you will see it, where one of the apprehended culprits or criminals, allegedly, who called himself Babalawo or who claims to be Babalawo, ascertained that yes, he is Babalawo and he does some charms and everything, but they actually caught him with human body parts. And when he was being questioned, he alleged that one of his customers is a police guy. The police guy wanted to do a particular charm and he told the policeman that he will need some human flesh. So it was the policeman who actually brought a pound of human flesh to him. He pounded it and some other horrible news. If you go on their YouTube page, you will see it. That's number one. Number two, some other horrible news out there when it comes to this kidnapping and terrorism and cleansing going on. If you don't know, in Okeogun, some other things are going on there, killings and taking out of the farmers. Now, how does this concern Tinubu and his regime? We're using this opportunity to let Bola Ahmed Tinubu know that Nigerians at this time are asking for only two things. We're not going to be talking about the removal of a subsidy for Eyinle Mori Buruku Te Nsekakiri. But some of us that still have our heads on our neck, tí ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú tẹ̀ ń ṣèjọba tó yẹ pé ayé yín máa bàjẹ́ last ni. We're not asking for anything other than the fact that we have a constitution, and in that constitution, Nigerians have constitutional rights, which is right to life. That's the truth. Millions of Nigerians might not know their rights, but some of us do. As much as the politicians have rights to life and to live peacefully, the same way should happen, or the same fate should be for Nigerians, for the masses. We don't want you to tamper with any other problem. Use your tenure to help us take care of this insecurity. It is getting to an alarming rate whereby we cannot even begin to fold our arms and keep quiet like everything is normal. Am I supposed to wait till when any of my family members and friends and followers become a victim before I speak up? Nigerians, please wake up now. That it will be the policeman that will be looking for human flesh. And the police, Nigerian police force, they know the evil things they do. But àwọn olè níbọn náà ń gba return allegedly. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ń ṣe oríṣiríṣi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa fi innocent person fi replace ẹni tí wọ́n mú tó sanwó fún wọn. Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, tá a bá sọ ń sìn àwọn kan sọ wípé Rotimi ṣó mọ̀ pé everything ti bàjẹ́ kí màá yí tó take over. Ṣóhun kọ́ ló fún wa ní Buhari 8 years ni? Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá máa sọrú nǹkan báyìí, èpè ló ń pẹ̀rú, èké ló ń pèlè, ò ní kúre. Because Bola Ahmed Tinubu knows how Nigeria got to this stage. And now that they're going to be using human lives to be playing games, to be playing pawns, some of us will not keep quiet. We're not going to be talking about the educational sector that is done with. That's the truth. But that insecurity issue in Nigeria, it has gotten to a level where every Nigerian should be on the streets. jíjínigbé fi ṣògùn owó Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu gan alẹ́jẹ́lé ò lè sọ pé owó òun mọ̀ náà. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń ṣe oògùn fún wọn tẹ́ ń ṣiṣẹ́ babaláwo fúnrú àwọn politicians yìí ó kù yín ó kọ lọ́hùn ẹ̀yin nìyẹn Ọlọ́run nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ lélẹ̀ máa pariwo ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà ṣé bójú ìṣẹ̀ṣe ṣe rí rèé tá a fi ń jobi lọ́jọ́ ẹ̀dùn. Mo béèrè ní o the other news tí wọ́n sẹ́ndì sí mi lánàá lórí TikTok kí èèyàn kéèyàn àtìyàwó ẹ̀ lọ sílé ẹjọ́ pé wọ́n ní family issues kí adájọ́ dẹ̀ dájọ́ burúkú fún ọkọ ó dẹ̀ gba ìyàwó fún lóyún ó tún wá ìndẹ̀ láti máa rí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀. Justice Department in Nigeria, the judiciary system ṣó lórí burúkú ni gbogbo yín ni. Ẹ̀yin younger lawyers kí ló dé tẹ́ ẹ̀yin Bible spirit Daddy Bọ́láìgè irú Daddy Fẹ́mi Fálànà sìn àgbà ti dé kékeré lókùn tán lè ṣe. Ṣé torí owó lẹ ṣe lọ school lẹ fẹ́ study law ni àbí torí ẹ̀tọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn? Èmi Rótìmí ń béèrè ní o. Ìwà adájọ́ dájọ́ fún ọkùnrin pé kò gbúdọ̀ dọ́dọ̀ ìyàwó yẹn mọ́ wọn ò gbúdọ̀ nìkan ó tún wá yín dà pé kò gbúdọ̀ rí àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ and you are a polygamist. How did we get here in Nigeria that we don't have conscience again and the most wicked set of people are the religious ones? Mr. Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu bí oyè lẹ́tọ́ ọba lè ṣe ẹ jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà jà ká lọ jà fún change of constitution. A lè má bá a lọ báyìí náà. Then after insecurity, make power supply to be available to all Nigerians 24/7. We have the means, we have the resources. When these two aspects of our lives are taken care of, people will begin to invest in that nation. Àwọn èèyàn máa ríṣẹ́ ṣe. Àwọn èèyàn lè róúnjẹ jẹ ẹ̀dẹ̀ fi àwọn àgbẹ̀ lọ́rùn lẹ̀ owó tẹ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ Europe owó tẹ̀ ń gbà lọ́wọ́ Western world pé ká má lè plant tẹ́ fi ń take out àwọn farmers wa ẹ ò ní fi owó yẹn ṣe oore. Irú owó bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́yìn politicians in Nigeria àti Africa ń gbà lọ́wọ́ Europe tẹ́ fi ń pa àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa. Wípé ká má lè rí ọwọ́ orí ká lè máa sá lọ sókè òkun ká lọ máa ṣẹrú owó yẹn ẹ máa fi gbé ọmọ gbìn ni ẹ máa fi mọ sàárì ọmọ ni. Gbogbo àwọn ẹbí yín tó súnmọ́ yín jù ẹ máa fi owó yẹn mọ sàárè wọn ni. Lẹ́yìn olórí burúkú yìí ẹ sọ́pa wá apọ́nulá ẹ bojú wẹ̀yìn adọ̀bálẹ̀ tún wá kan lùpápá ń já wa lẹ́gba. Ẹ lọ ṣe interview fáwọn tó wà labroad kẹ́ ẹ rí nǹkan tí wọ́n ń fojú wí. So many of us want to come back home. Kó jẹ́ ṣé àgbẹ̀ la fẹ́ wá ṣe our mind but where is the security? Ẹ̀rù ń bà wá láti lọ sóko torí pé yìí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kó àwọn ọlọ́ṣà ráwọ̀lú. Gbogbo ẹ̀ ní Jonathan sọ nínú fídíò tá a gbọ́. Ẹ ti wá kó wọn wọ̀lú bá apá yín ò ká wọn mọ́. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yìí tó wà lábúròdì tẹ́ fi pamọ́ wọ́n mọ̀ gbé wọn wálé nínú àgbàrá ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni. Lẹ́yìn olórí burúkú ẹ wá ń fi àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ sọ wá di bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀ ń gbá wa síra yín tá a bá tún wá jọ ẹ tún wa pọ́. Kí ló dé? Ṣé population wa ló jẹ́ kó pé ẹ̀mí ò wá jọ wá lójúmọ́? Tá a bá wá jẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan kí la fẹ́ ṣe? Kí a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wa dọ́lọ́run ni? Torí pé ẹ jẹ́ politicians. Tẹ́ ẹ bá lọ́wọ́ nínú bọ́n ṣe ń jí àwọn èèyàn gbé tí wọ́n ń fi ẹran rẹ̀ táwọn babaláwo èké ń fi ẹran rẹ̀ èèyàn ṣe oògùn oríṣiríṣi ẹ ti máa take insecurity issues yìí bọ̀ torí pé gbogbo yín lọ́wọ́ ń bẹ̀ ni àtẹ̀yìn àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá àtàwọn adájọ́. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú máa ṣàǹfààní gbogbo àdúrà tí mo gbà nínú fọ́nrán ẹ̀ ló máa mọ yín tilétilé tẹbí tara. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ tó jáde láyé lẹ́ẹ̀mọ̀ fojú wí ìbànújẹ́. Ẹ̀yin olórí burúkú gbogbo ẹ̀. Ọlọ́pàá ò ṣèfù lọ́dọ̀ wọn tó bá tún lọ sílé ẹjọ́ náà ẹjọ́ ẹ tó lówó lọ́wọ́ náà máa dáre fún. Lẹ́yìn olórí burúkú ẹ mọ̀ bànújẹ́ títí ọjọ́ ayé yín ni. Orúkọ tèmi ò yípadà Rótìmí Daddy náà ni Awíkoko lójú ọlọ́rọ̀ tí bá bọ́ lọ́rọ̀ bá gbọ́ kí ló fẹ́ fi mí ṣe.